Well, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and hope you're all back and in good health. It's your boy wanpatrique, and guess what? Today I am back again with a new video. So in this particular video, I'm generally here to inspire you guys. I had decided to trade synthetic indices I think the previous days, and guess what? Like, I was able to grow an account of $300 to $11,000 in just a period of 3 days. So basically I'm going to be sharing with you how that happened. Guys, we're sliding into the video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button if at all, of course, you find the video interesting and helpful at the end. Don't forget to follow the link in my bio to our Telegram channel, in which I do provide free signals and of course share more ideas as far as forex trading is concerned. And this right here is my Instagram. Don't forget to follow me up on Instagram. Beside this particular one, others are fake. Don't fall into a scam. Make sure that you visit the description below and follow the right handles to our media platforms. You get? So basically, the strategy we're going to be looking at, I think you can see this particular account, how I started it when it was still at 300. So this particular account, I'm going to be sliding to the next video, in which I am showing you the end results in it, like when it is now at 3,000, and then we sliding into the strategy. Guys, let's all get ready for financial freedom.
You can see what's happening. It's a live account, guys. It's a live account. There we go. From 300 to 11,000, guys. Forex is real. Forex is real to whoever is doubting out there.
Yeah, so guys, I decided to actually use a phone on this one right here so that you can clearly see and understand how I was able to do this, like just on your phone. So basically, as far as forex trading is concerned, I guess we all know that when we are trading, it doesn't matter what the strategy is and what type of trader you are, let it be a scalper, an intraday, or even a swing trader. So basically, I think it's very important never to trade against the trend. I always remind you guys about that. So VIX 75 index was literally moving downwards. Even if we scaled into the higher time frames, I think you can see the general trend has been down. This is the 1 hour time frame, and even if we continue to the 4 hour, the general trend of the market is down. So after understanding that, we never go against the trend of the market. You get? Let it be scalpers, guys. I know scalpers usually, of course, do this mistake a lot and go against the trend of the market, or just aiming at taking a few pips and then bouncing out of it. So basically, I don't agree with that. Sometimes I do believe that it's very important to move with the trend of the market. So in the strategy I'm going to teach you guys, like, always ensure the fact that you're moving in the direction of the market, like what was literally happening here. I think you can relate with the previous video you've watched, that when I was able to hold my trade on VIX 75 for a little bit longer, just because I was trading by the trend of the market. So I knew that the market was not going to go against me, you know, even if it did a pullback at some point, it would go back. So basically here, you can use a trend line. Of course, you can use a trend just like you see. You mark this level right here, and then that is like generally identifying to the trend and areas that you can possibly scale in your position, and then of course take some profits in the market. So it doesn't end by the trend only. It can, of course, the trend can be considered as an area of value, an area that you're considering as an entry into the market, since it's a downtrend, and then you have a resistance up there. Well, another thing you're going to consider to do in the market on this particular strategy, you're going to apply in the Bollinger Bands. They're going to help you somewhere, somehow, when you are going into your entry. You're going to make your entry, like making your entry and your exit in the strategy. It's going to be determined by the Bollinger Bands. So I'm going to apply in my Bollinger Bands. Yeah, I can use the period of 20. I use the period of 20, and I think you can see how it looks. You get? So this is how specifically the market looks with the Bollinger Bands on. Well, so after applying your Bollinger Bands, remember I told you guys never to go against the trend. I remember, like, I made my entry somewhere here. I made my first entry somewhere here. That's when I started, like, taking the market. Ever since I started trading ever since I started taking this account from 300, I took my first position right here, and exactly at the very first Bollinger Bands, the upper Bollinger Bands is the one I'm talking about. That's where I took my position, but of course after getting a confirmation. So this happened. The reason as to why I'm explaining on the 15-minute time frame is because that's the time frame I literally used when I was applying in this particular strategy. So I entered my position when the price was at the upper Bollinger Band, was at the upper Bollinger Band, and then exactly even where the trend line I had anticipated the move to happen at. You get? So basically, when I got this price rejection candle, which is a pin bar, like a shooting star, that literally confirmed me the fact that the market is going to drop down, because it was already an area of value, you know. So basically, as soon as this pin bar happened, I had to execute in my position, and then that's how I first milked my first profits in the market. I took that move from up there up to down here, you know. How many points are there, you can calculate, but then yeah, that's what happened in the first move, and then I closed those positions, and then price literally bounced back up in form of a reversal. So guys, this is the reason as to why you should never go against the trend of the market. You know, if you imagine, like, if I had taken a buy maybe somewhere here, somewhere right here, I would have taken these profits, and then all of a sudden the market goes back to the trend that it is supposed to move in. You get? So basically to drop down. So I think you can generally see, like, the zigzags, it's in form of a descending triangle. Like, the zigzags are generally moving downwards. So if I had a buy here, maybe I would be I'll generally take a few pips, and then the market is against me. It's literally generally going to move against me. I think you can understand that. So basically, always make sure that you're on point with the trend of the market. That's why I had went down here, and then I closed my profits, and then this was another signal, because I understood the mere fact that the market was on a downtrend, just waiting for it to always reach to the Bollinger Band, to the upper Bollinger Band, or at exactly the trend line that I drew, the resistance trend line, so I can keep taking my profits. So basically, so I can keep executing positions, and then of course the market moving to my direction, and then I keep securing profits. So this was the last trade that I took, that literally showed up there. I took it here, I think, and then it dropped me down up to here, and then that's when I was able to raise 11,000 trading VIX 75. So basically, make sure that you're moving by the trend. Your entry point is at the upper Bollinger Band, and then you can exit. It doesn't matter now what type of trader you are. If you want to apply this strategy when you are swinging, or when you are doing intraday, or you're scalping the market, make sure that your entry is at the upper Bollinger Band, and then you can make an exit when the price is at the middle or the last, like the downer Bollinger Band. You can Bollinger Band, you can literally make your exit in those two levels. You get? So I guess this video was literally helpful. Go try this strategy on your own charts, And then please, the other thing that I'm going to request you guys is that you should always mind risk management as you're doing this. You know, always make sure you mind risk management so that you can accumulate your income at a stress-free condition.